12 elegant fall cupcake decorating ideas using the same decorative tips with Maria Loves Art. You can use any decorating tips that you have, and for the frosting it can be any color that you would like depending on your theme. I have already colored some of my frosting and I'm going to go ahead and load some of the bags. As you're filling the bag, make sure the frosting goes all the way towards the tip. You want to make sure to remove any air pockets. So this is a different technique. I'm going to add some color inside the bag and I'm going to use a brush. What I'm going to do is leave most of the frosting white, but I still wanted to add a little bit of color to it. I'm adding a second color on the other side. You can add as many colors as you would like. So this is the bag that I added the two colors. You can see that it does have white and a little bit of the two colors that I added. Here is another tip that I'm going to use. So I am using a small tip and then I'm going to get a bigger tip. And after that I'm going to go ahead and fill in the spaces with a smaller tip again. I wanted to dress it up a little bit, so I'm adding some gold sugar beads. They are edible. I'm using a bow so that way the sugar will not spill everywhere. If you haven't checked out my video, check it out. It's 2021 Dollar Tree DIY Craft Home Hack with Maria Loves Art. When I finished frosting the cupcakes, I realized that they really look pretty with the gold. So I ended up adding gold to all of the cupcakes, and they really do look good together. This is my last fall video for this year. Don't forget to check out my new upcoming videos for December and for winter. Thanks so much for watching, and stay warm.